Jason and Kelly are both emerging professionals that are looking for a job. Let's see the difference that networking can make in their career development. Jason decides to build his network the old-fashioned way. He takes some time to email professionals in his field. Kelly decides to start networking through LinkedIn. She immediately connects with over 200 of her high school and college friends and classmates. She also connects with other professionals in her field and past and present colleagues. Jason decides that he wants to join a professional organization. He signs up and attends a meeting that allows him to make 4 new connections. Kelly is able to join 8 different professional groups, giving her access to professional development, thousands of new connections, and job opportunities. She also connects with industry leaders and other professionals that she wants to meet. She messaged a few of them and has scheduled several coffee breaks to meet them in person. Jason is now ready to find a job. He looks in the newspaper for ads and he searches for jobs on his favorite company's website. He applied for 2 positions. Kelly used the LinkedIn job search and applied for over 20 jobs at different companies. She has several connections that would be willing to put in a good word for her. Although Jason has made some progress in growing his network, he hasn't been very successful in building relationships or finding a new job. Kelly, on the other hand, has made several hundred connections, has joined professional groups, found mentors, received professional development, and has found a new job at a company that she loves. Be like Kelly. Start networking.